Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can smoothly zoom in and out in Davinci Resolve. Now this is really simple. I have an example timeline or video right here. Now the way I typically do this is I want to place my player head on the specific frame or time that I want to zoom in my video. So let's go ahead and say this one. The first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and click on your video clip, navigate through the transform category, and from here you then want to add a keyframe. Move the clip a little bit forward, and then you want to go ahead and add another keyframe and adjust the zoom the way you want to. So let's go ahead and say that I want my zoom to happen right here. Now if we then play out the video, we can then go ahead and see the zoom effect takes in. And so to finally zoom out the video, you can simply just repeat the same step, add a keyframe, forward the video a little bit right here, and from there you can then go ahead and adjust the video once again. And so if we play out the video, it will then look something like this. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.